always in the office, I always watch the Tagalog videos.
Okay, what
Done
have you
now.
learned? What have you learned? What Tagalog words have you learned? Huh?
That's all.
Oh. What have you learned? What Tagalog
That's all
words?
what I can do. That's all what
Ano nga yung nalaman ng Tagalog? Can you tell me?
That's all I learned.
Ano? Go, say it again.
When mommy and papa is in the office, I always watch Tagalog videos.
Okay. Ano nga yung Tagalog
The
word?
end.
Ano nga yung Tagalog words na, na nalaman mo?
Bahay.
Bahay. Okay. What else?
Kama.
Okay.
Tudog.
What else?
Sampay.
Wow, sampay. Okay.
When I heard some killing sounds.
What else?
Matulog.
Tulog. Okay. Then,
Baha.
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 Okay. And, what else?
Bata.
Okay.
Bola. Kulang.
What else? Sing.
Electric fan.
Hindi naman Tagalog yan eh. That's English. One more?
That's all.
Okay, watch more Tagalog videos. Okay? Say bye then.
Bye. I always watch Elf and his
Tell me, what are you playing?
and his
What are you playing? Ano yung nalaro mo?
Roblox. Two.
What are you eating?
Bread.
Is that bread? What do you call that?
Bread.
Huh?
Bread.
The one you hear in the morning.
Pandesal.
Yeah.